So to begin, maraming salamat po. Actually, si Sir Mike, wala po siya ngayon. Sir J. Balbin, Sir Ed, wala din po siya ngayon. And Sir Jun Pakulan. Actually, there are our past presidents for AMESEA for entrusting this leadership to me. Sila po talaga yung naging foundation ng AMESEA. Kung di dahil po sa inyong mga wisdom, wala po tayo ngayon dito. Allow me to share a bit of my own journey as a proud Mapuan. My connection to this institution and its community has been cornerstone for my personal and professional growth. AMESEA has been a source of inspiration, a network of opportunities, and a family that uploads the values of integrity, excellence, and service. Looking back on the legacy of Mapua EC alumni, we see a rich history built on the collective achievements of our alumni. Kaya nga po nandito actually tayo ngayon lahat para po i-recognize yung mga achievements ng bawat isa sa atin. So, maraming salamat at binigyan niyo po ng time kahit na Sunday ngayon. Yung mga Cardinals, wala pa, no? Puno po actually, ngayon, naka-online din po tayo. So, dahil sa puno tayo, in-open natin yung online registration. Our association has always been more than just a network. It's a bridge between generations, a platform for collaboration and testament for enduring Mapuan spirit. It's this spirit that drives us to push boundaries, foster connections, and leave our lasting impact on our communities. As I take this new role, I envision the future of AMESEA continues to thrive, a dynamic and inclusive organization. Together, we will work to promote our professional growth through industry partnerships like ISEP, training programs, and certifications. We will ensure that our members remain at the forefront of technological advancements. Siguro ano lang po, kasi sa totoo lang, yung ECE, as per Dean Arnold, declining na po yung yung mga enrollees natin. Kaya kudos dun sa mga natin, sa mga scholar, kay Francine and his classmates talaga. Try to influence. I encourage every one of us here sa mga anak natin na i-encourage din na mag-enroll sa mga sa ECE. Kasi po I think Sir Enrico is here also. Di naman sa naiiwanan, kumbaga alayo na po natin sa ibang mga courses. So we need each of one na encourage yung mga anak natin, mga apo natin na mag-aaral ng ECE. Drive community impact. Let's strengthen our outreach initiatives to address real-world challenges and promote sustainable development. Isa din po ito kasi sa mga requirement. Foster global collaboration. At syempre, last but not the least, to increase financial sustainability. Ikukwento ko lang po. Actually, 2 weeks ago, dahil sa gusto nating ganitong klaseng event, 2 weeks ago nung nagmi-meeting kami, tinanong ko yung core group natin. Sabi nila, magkano yung budget natin for this event? So sabi nila, sir, nasa 650 plus. Sabi ko, sige, magkano na yung nag-online registration? Sir, nasa 30,000 plus. O magkano yung sa sponsor? more or less nasa 40,000 plus. So meaning, kailangan pa nating mag-ano ng 500,000. So sabi ko, Red, paano kaya yan? Sabi ni Red, yan yung gusto kay Red eh. Go, go, press, kaya natin yan. Alam natin lahat. Pag nagkaisa yung ECE, ma-achieve natin yung ano, yung budget natin. And actually, as of last night, yung 600 plus po is na-achieve na po natin. Yun. So, di na po kami magduhugas dito ng pinggan. Kasi yung mga officers, sabi ko sa kanila, magdala kayo ng ano, ng gloves, ng rubber gloves. Para pag hindi tayo di tayo nakapagbayad, hugas tayo na lang ng pinggan. Anyway, so none of these goals can be achieved without your active participation. I urge you to take active role in our association endeavors. Volunteer your triple T's, time, treasure, and talent. Yan po ang meron yung mga current officers po natin ngayon. Yung iba may time. Yung iba may talent. Yung iba may treasure. Kaya lahat po tayo nagsisync. So, for the next 2 years po, I will assure you, papalakasin po namin ang AMESEA. Let us remain united in our commitment to uphold the values that define us as Mapuans through excellence, integrity, and service. Through our collective efforts, we can ensure that AMESEA continues to be the beacon of inspiration and support for next generation to come. So, Ma'am Francine, actually si Miss Francine po is our scholar. I want to express my sincere gratitude for the trust you have placed in me. I am committed to leading this with integrity, passion, and deep respect for our shared mission. Let me leave you with the simple, profound message. United we stand, divided we fall. Let us work together to build a future that reflects the very best of AMESEA. Thank you, and we all continue to inspire, empower one another on this remarkable journey ahead. Viva Mapua! Viva AMESEA! Maraming salamat po.